Hello everyone, and in this video we are talking about what is the offer and how to create the offer on SellioIQ. So simply you can go to the vendor section and simply go to the offers over here. Once you go over here, you can see the total offers you have, live offers you have, then draft offers you have if you saved one, then total affiliates you have on these offers, and all the data you will shown over here. If you add any of these offers, first of all you see the status, affiliates, total affiliates you have, the revenue total offer is generated, created on, and the actions. In the actions you can edit, manage the pages, duplicate the offer, and delete the offer. Okay, so now we are talking about how to create the offer. Simply you can add new offer, give it a title, for example taste offer. Okay, then select your image over here, then give it a description, taste offer. This description will be shown in a marketplace like this. If someone click on view details, your information will be seen over here just like this. Then after that, in a categories you can select your category, for example like this or this. Okay, then keywords. This is keywords help the affiliates to find your offer. For example, if you have this affiliate offer in health niche, you can add the keywords like weight loss, health, fitness, all this. If you are categorizing make money online, then add that over here. It is help the affiliates to find out your affiliate offer. Then simply scroll down, and over here you can add your sales page URL. It is make sure you do not add any other platform's sales page. You add your own sales page just like this. For example, I have bluecapmarketer.com. okay, this is my funnel. Simply I can copy this and simply paste my sales page URL over here right after this. Okay, and this sales page URL must have your front end product. If you have the many app sales in the backend, this is your first front end product URL. Okay, then you can select the currency. Make sure once you select the currency, it cannot be changed, and make sure whichever product you select for the front end must match both the currencies. For example, if I have the product, let's suppose this is my front end product, Internet Empire started USD. So this pricing, it is in USD, right? $17. So I must select over here USD. If I have the front end product in a INR, then I will select it INR. So make sure your product currency and your offer currency must match. Then we can simply select that and simply go ahead over a offer availability. If your offer is unavailable and unavailable, that you can select, right? Then select the start date and time of this affiliate offer. For example, let's say if you want to host this on 21st, right, on 10 a.m. let's say, and you can host that simply. Let's suppose we can launch right now. In 57 p.m. okay, and simply click on continue the step. Okay, then you can select the checkout page. For example, you can select the SellioIQ default checkout page, or you can select the offer specific image that you can add. If you want to add the offer specific image over here, it is must be in a JPG, PNG, or GIF, and it is maximum 2 MB each, not that. You can select the multiple images over here. Okay, but we can recommend you can use the SellioIQ default checkout page banner, right? Then you can enable disable the checkout page reminder emails to you. Okay. Marketplace availability. If you wanna promote your affiliate offer or any offer, for example in a private, that you can unselect this. But if you want ki SellioIQ helps you to promote your affiliate offer, you can simply select over here. This will be shown in our marketplace. Simply on top offers, home page, we'll see over here in a marketplace area. Okay. Then if you have the PayPal that you can connect, for example you are collecting the payments in a USD, that you can connect over here. Okay. Then you can add the external tracking pixel. In external tracking pixel, 3 pixels you can add, for example Facebook pixel, Google Analytic, and custom image pixel. Let's say you want to add the Facebook pixel, that you can select and add your pixel ID over here. That's it. And simply you can tick mark over here active. Then most important part, if you want to enable the affiliate program, simply click on enable and give it a general information about what is your offer, how your offer going to convert well, all the information you can give to the affiliates, right? Then you can add your JV page link over here if you have, right? Just like this. And you can add your email ID over here and simply click on create the offer and set up the pages. That's it. Once you click on that, you will redirect it to this, which is called the funnel setup pages. Okay. Over here, this is your main page, right? And this is your main sales page. Okay. You can simply click on add the products and simply select your product and simply click on save your product. This product will be added over here. If you want to enable the certain percentage of the affiliates for this, okay, that you can increase to the 60%, 70%, 80%, that you can add over here. Simply click on save. Okay. Let's suppose you wanna add the upsells, right? Simply click on add page, give it a name, for example OTO1, right? And give it a sales page URL. Okay, just like this, and click on save. Just like this. And this is your upsell number 1. But till now it is not added in a funnel. Once you create the next page, simply click on add new product and select your OTO1 and setup will be on over here, and simply select the 50% and simply click on save. Okay, this page is not till now not added in your funnel. So for example, someone purchase your front end, and if you want to they go to your upsell, simply click over here on this product, right? And simply select the upsell page OTO number 1 and simply click on save. And now you can see over here the upsells. Once someone purchase the affiliate domination, they simply go to the next my upsell page. Now this is the simple thing you need to add. Once you finish creating the funnels, then start adding the your checkout page link. For checkout page, simply click on this, and over here you can see the sales page disclaimer, no thanks link, and checkout page link. Simply copy the checkout page link and add in your whole landing page. For example, if you wanna promote something like you have FB ads course, okay, each and every of your button, right, add the Sellio page checkout page over here, just like this. For example, this is my sales page, right? This is the whole landing page I created for the one particular product for promoting this, right? Each and every of this button we need to add the sales page URL, SellioIQ sales page URL for the tracking purposes. Okay, each and every button of this landing page we need to add the SellioIQ checkout page. Once it is done, then you need to add 2 more things. First of all, this sales page disclaimer. Okay, simply copy this sales page disclaimer and simply go to your edit page, go to the bottom of your page, right? Simply add new element, right? And simply go to the components and add the custom code, right? Simply paste over here and click on save. Simply click on save and publish. Okay, this is your custom sales page disclaimer. Okay, in this disclaimer we are added that SellioIQ are just managing your products. It is solely not responsible for any refunds or on anything. Okay, if I want to show you the published URL, right, it is something look like this. Disclaimer: SellioIQ is used to help the manage the sales of the product on this site. While SellioIQ helps and facilitate the sales, all the payments are made directly to the products vendors, not the SellioIQ and all these things. Okay, then one more thing you need to add. If you wanna add the no thanks link, that you can add, but in a front end you don't need to add the no thanks link. Okay, this is the embedded code for the button. If you don't wanna add your custom button, you can directly copy this and add your own button. For example, you can go to the your page, okay, and simply click on add new element. Simply select the custom code, okay, and simply click on paste over here, click on save. Okay, click on save and publish. You can see over here, this is the button, right, with the value and all these things that you can add, right? These all URLs are must in your sales page. We will review this on your sales page. These links are not available on this page, your offer will be rejected. So make sure all these links must have on your sales page. Once it is done, then simply click on back offers, review all the offers, right, all the details of the offers, and simply click on submit for the approval. If you want to add additional nodes over here, you can add that and simply click on submit the approval. Our team will review your offer, all the sales page URLs, all your information, affiliate offer information, and within a 24 hours our team will either approve your affiliate offer or give it a remark if the any changes is needed. If you seen over here, once your affiliate offer is approved, this is something called live. In a status you will see the live, right, and you can start collecting the payments for your affiliate offer. That's it for this video.